Hi, everyone. Welcome to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and if you want to improve your English through real conversations, please subscribe and listen with us.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom, and we're really glad you're here today. Learning English becomes easier when you enjoy the topics.
Today, we're talking about favorite music. Music is something we all listen to in daily life, so it's easy to talk about.
Yes, music is everywhere. We hear it at home, on the street, at school, and even while traveling.
I usually listen to music in the morning to start my day. It helps me feel calm and ready.
I listen to music when I walk or take the bus. It makes the trip feel shorter and more relaxing.
Many people like different types of music. Some enjoy pop, others like rock, jazz, or slow songs.
Talking about music helps you learn about people. You can understand their mood and personality a little.
I often ask friends what music they like. It's an easy way to start a conversation.
And people usually enjoy answering that question. They like sharing their favorite songs and singers.
Music is also useful for learning English. Listening to songs helps with pronunciation and new words.
Yes, I learned many English phrases from songs. Repeating lyrics helps remember them.
Sometimes I listen to music while studying. Soft music helps me focus better.
I do the same when I work. Music makes work feel less boring.
Music is also part of special moments. We listen to it at parties, celebrations, or family events.
And sometimes we listen to music alone when we want to relax or think.
Talking about music is easy because there is no right or wrong answer. Everyone has their own taste.
That's why it's a great topic for English learners. You can talk freely and feel confident.
You can also talk about where you listen to music, at home, in your room, or outside.
Or talk about how you listen to music, like on your phone, headphones, or speakers.
Sharing music with friends is fun. Sending songs helps people feel closer.
And asking simple questions about music keeps conversations going naturally.
Music often brings back memories. Some songs remind us of trips or special people.
Yes, music connects feelings with moments in life.
Talking about favorite music in English helps you express yourself in English.
And the more you talk about it, the more comfortable you become speaking.
Music also changes our mood during the day. When I feel tired, a good song gives me more energy.
I feel the same way. Happy music makes me feel positive, especially in the morning.
Some people like quiet music at night. It helps them relax before sleeping.
Yes, slow music is perfect after a long day. It helps clear the mind.
Talking about music at school is very common. Students often share songs during breaks.
And classmates ask each other what they are listening to. It's an easy way to make friends.
At work, music can help people focus. Some listen with headphones while working.
Others like listening during breaks. It helps reduce stress and feel refreshed.
Music is also important when traveling. I always prepare a playlist for trips.
Long trips feel shorter with music. It makes buses and trains more comfortable.
Many people discover new music online. Apps and social media make it easy.
Yes, recommendations help us find new singers and styles.
Sometimes friends introduce us to new music. That's always interesting.
And sharing music helps conversations last longer. You always have something to talk about.
Music is also part of culture. Different countries have different sounds and styles.
Talking about music helps us learn about other cultures, too.
Some people enjoy live music. Concerts are exciting and memorable.
Even small live performances feel special. The atmosphere is very different.
Music helps express feelings when words are hard.
That's why people feel connected through songs.
Talking about favorite music in English builds confidence. It's personal and meaningful.
And the more you practice, the more natural it feels to share your thoughts.
I also enjoy creating my own playlists. Choosing songs for different moods makes listening more fun.
That's a great idea. I make playlists for studying, traveling, or relaxing in the evening.
Some songs make me feel happy instantly, even if I had a bad day.
Yes, I have a few favorite songs that always make me smile, no matter what.
Music can also inspire us. I sometimes write short stories or draw while listening.
I feel the same. Music makes everyday activities like cleaning or cooking more enjoyable.
Listening to live music is very exciting too. Even small performances feel special.
And concerts create memories that last a long time. Music connects people in a unique way.
Talking about favorite music also helps improve English vocabulary. You can describe songs, instruments, or feelings.
And discussing lyrics helps understand English phrases in context. It's learning without studying.
Music is often shared on social media. People send songs to friends or post their favorites.
That's a fun way to discover new artists and practice asking questions like, "Do you know this singer?"
Music also influences our daily routines. I listen while walking, exercising, or even relaxing at home.
And some people like background music while cooking, studying, or working. It helps focus.
Talking about music with friends is easy too. Simple questions like, "Do you like this song?" start long conversations.
Yes, and you can follow up with, "Have you heard their new album?" or "Do you go to concerts?"
Music also helps with emotions. Calm songs help when you feel stressed, while energetic songs boost motivation.
I notice that too. Sometimes a song changes my whole mood for the better.
You can even talk about favorite music genres: pop, rock, jazz, classical, or K-pop. It's endless.
Asking, "Do you like this type of music?" or "Is this your favorite genre?" is simple and practical.
Sharing music with family is nice as well. Parents and siblings often have their favorites.
And you can ask short questions at home like, "Do you want to listen together?" or "Is this song okay?"
Music is part of celebrations too. Birthdays, weddings, and parties always have songs.
Even casual gatherings or picnics include music. Talking about it is easy in these moments.
Talking about favorite music also helps practice opinions. You can explain why you like certain songs.
Yes, and people enjoy listening to explanations because it's personal and meaningful.
Music can also be connected to memories. A song can remind you of a trip, a friend, or a happy time.
That's true, and sharing those memories with English sentences makes practice natural.
Music is everywhere: home, school, work, streets, parks, cafes, or even online.
Talking about it gives unlimited chances to practice English in real life.
You can even use music for games. Guess the song, sing together, or talk about lyrics.
That's fun and also improves listening and speaking skills at the same time.
Music is also great for online conversations. You can ask friends, "Do you know this song?" or "Have you heard this artist?"
And it often leads to recommendations, sharing playlists, and more conversation naturally.
Music is part of culture too. Asking about traditional music from other countries is interesting.
And learning about different music styles helps understand the world better while practicing English.
Talking about music builds confidence too. The topic is safe and enjoyable for learners.
The more you talk, the more natural it feels. Even short questions like, "Do you like this song?" turn into long conversations.
Yes, and it's something everyone loves, so it's always a useful topic for practicing English anytime.
And practicing with music every day makes speaking, listening, and understanding English feel easier and fun.
I also love creating new playlists for different moods. Sometimes I make one for relaxing and another for exercising.
That's a good idea. I make playlists for studying, traveling, and even cooking.
I notice that some songs instantly make me feel happy, even after a stressful day.
Yes, I have a few songs that always cheer me up no matter what.
Music also inspires me to be creative. I sometimes draw or write while listening to my favorite songs.
I do the same when I clean or do chores. Music makes time go by faster.
Live music is amazing too. Even small performances or street musicians create memorable experiences.
Concerts are unforgettable. The energy and crowd make music feel even more powerful.
I like asking friends about concerts too. Do you want to go to a live show, or is this band good live? It's fun to discuss.
Talking about favorite singers or bands is easy. Do you like this singer? Or have you heard their new album? Helps learners practice English.
Lyrics are also interesting. Asking, do you understand this song, or is this line meaningful, improves vocabulary naturally.
I notice some songs bring back memories. Asking, does this song remind you of something, is a great conversation starter.
Traveling with music is fun too. Do you like this playlist for the trip, or is this song good for long drives? Keeps English practical.
And listening while exercising works well too. Do you listen to music while running? Or is this your workout song? Are short and useful questions.
Playing instruments or singing along also gives chances to practice English. Do you play guitar, or is singing fun for you? Are simple questions.
At school, students share songs and ask, do you know this singer? It's an easy way to start conversations.
At work, music helps focus. Asking, do you listen while working, or is this song okay here, is practical.
Music is everywhere, in cafes, streets, buses, parks, and homes, so there are always chances to talk about it.
Sharing music online is fun too. Do you know this song, or have you tried this playlist? Starts digital conversations.
Music also inspires creativity. People paint, write, or dance while listening.
Even short questions about music lead to longer talks about feelings, styles, or memories.
Music is part of celebrations. Do you like party songs, or is this your favorite festival song? Is easy to ask.
Talking about music helps learners express themselves naturally and confidently.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes to share opinions and experiences.
Asking about music habits works too. Do you listen on your phone, or do you prefer speakers or headphones?
You can also ask about moods. Do you listen when happy? Or is this your calm song? Teaches feelings in English.
Music connects with memories. A song can remind you of a trip, a friend, or a special event.
Sharing those memories while asking questions keeps conversation flowing naturally.
Music also inspires conversation about lyrics. Do you like these words, or is this your favorite line? Is simple and fun.
Talking about music makes English feel alive. Every small question turns into learning and connection.
Even daily routines involve music. Walking, cooking, cleaning, studying, or exercising all give chances to practice.
Practicing short questions like, do you like this song? Or is this your favorite artist? Is practical and easy anywhere.
The more you talk about music, the more confident you feel speaking English naturally.
And music is something everyone loves, so it's always a safe and enjoyable topic to practice daily.
You can even compare songs. Do you like this version better, or is this your favorite remix? Gives more conversation opportunities.
Talking about favorite albums or playlists works too. Is this album good? Or do you listen to it often? Keeps the dialogue going.
Music is connected to culture too. Do you know this traditional song, or is this popular in your country? Teaches about the world while practicing English.
Even discussing new releases is fun. Do you know their latest song? Or is this artist famous? Is simple and practical.
Music is also a great way to connect with family. I like asking, do you want to listen together? Or is this song okay for you?
Yes, even short questions at home can start fun conversations. Do you like this playlist? Or is this your favorite song? Makes English practice easy.
Sometimes we listen to music while cooking or cleaning. Do you want to play some music? Or is this your favorite genre? Helps make chores more enjoyable.
Music is also important for celebrations. Birthdays, weddings, and parties always include songs that everyone enjoys.
And even small gatherings or picnics often have music. Talking about it gives endless chances to practice.
Talking about lyrics is fun too. You can ask, do you like this line? Or is this your favorite verse? To share feelings in English.
Music brings back memories. A song can remind me of school trips, vacations, or special days with friends.
Yes, and asking, does this song remind you of something, makes conversations meaningful.
Listening to music while traveling is great too. Do you like this playlist for the trip? Or is this song good for long drives? Keeps English practical.
Music is helpful for exercising. Asking, do you listen while running? Or is this your workout song? Makes learning real in daily life.
Music also inspires creativity. I sometimes draw or write while listening to songs.
Even doing chores, music makes time pass quickly. Do you want to listen to music while cleaning? Is easy to ask.
Sharing your favorite playlists with friends is fun too. Asking, do you want to listen together? Or do you know this artist? Starts long conversations.
Music encourages learning new words too. Discussing lyrics, instruments, and genres improves vocabulary naturally.
Talking about music with friends, family, classmates, or colleagues helps build confidence.
And the more you talk about it, the easier it becomes to express thoughts naturally in English.
Music can be part of almost every moment. Morning routines, school, work, travel, and celebrations all give opportunities to practice.
Short questions turn into meaningful conversations. Every question helps you understand and speak English better.
Thank you so much for listening to the English Learner podcast today. We hope you enjoyed talking about your favorite music and learned new ways to practice English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this episode. Keep practicing, listen to your favorite songs, and talk about them with friends.
Keep exploring music, share it, and notice how your English improves naturally. Every song is a chance to learn.
And remember, every question, every conversation, and every melody is a step forward in speaking English confidently. See you in the next episode.
Keep enjoying music, keep practicing English, and make every day a learning day.